So the ingredients needed is sattu, garlic, ginger, green chili, lemon, coriander, mustard oil, ajwain and the dough for the litti. Now we mix all the ingredients together. Then add salt. Mix them all well. Now we will add the stuffing in the dough and press it well. And make it into few balls and put them aside. Meanwhile, you can take the oil and burn them in high flame. Now the oil is ready. So now we will add our letti and fry the letti. We will fry them until they turn brown. After frying, the letti will look something like this. Chokha, you need boiled brinjal, boiled potato, boiled tomato, coriander, garlic, ginger, green chili, salt and mustard oil. We have to mix them all well. Now the chokha is ready and you can enjoy your chokha with the litti.